Vijana wetu, watoto wetu ambao sasa wamekuwa addicted na mambo haya wapelekwe hapo, na ndio tuweze kuanza mpango ya vile tutawarehabilitate. Ile pesa pia ambao watakuwa wanalipwa waweze kujisaidia, ile nyingine waweze kuweka kando, na ndio waweze kufungua na kuwa trained kufanya mambo ya biashara.
2 days after President Uhuru Kenyatta announced the government would upscale its efforts against drugs and substance abuse at the Kenyan coast, just like the case with illicit liquor, the Ministry of Interior has started laying strategies that are likely to culminate into crackdowns similar to those witnessed in central Kenya, where MPs and the public joined hands to destroy second-generation liquor. Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaissery led security chiefs from the region in coming up with a strategy that would foster the war against what is threatening to be the coast region's biggest headache yet. And after a closed-door meeting, Nkaissery announced that he had agreed to take the war right at the doorstep of drug lords in Mombasa.
The sources of these the drugs, we know, especially raw bank. Raw bank is coming through our borders, especially the southern border, through Kwale, and we know majority of cocaine is also being transported. So the security agencies have been given specific instruction, and the intelligence is now issuing the leads so that we are going to net these peddlers.
He stated they are currently upping the intelligence and mapping out of peddler dens, as well as identifying powerful drug barons, before launching what he says will be the biggest ever drug intelligence-led crackdown. So, will Kenya be seeing more scenes of ships nabbed carrying drugs being destroyed at the sea?
We have discussed the ways, the strategies we are going to use, and we have communicated to the security teams the best way. And we expect that first and foremost, the interagency participation, collaboration, cooperation, the reporting, we are mapping out from all the sub-locations. We are mapping out the peddlers' dens, and sooner than later we'll be able really to net these people.
Nkaissery further held security officers at the coast region for what he termed as a stabilized security situation at the region that is Kenya's tourism hub. He said the government would continue to scale the war against terrorism through high level of vigilance and strong interagency cooperation.
We have put in place appropriate and significant measures to ensure that citizens are safe and secure.
Last week, security teams in northeastern region arrested a number of terror suspects in 3 separate operations intent on harming Kenyans. Police recovered a huge cache of assorted small, light and heavy weapons, as well as materials for manufacturing improvised explosive devices.
It is my sincere hope that our courts will process these people swiftly and firmly and help us secure our country.
John Jacob Kuria, Channel 1.